This colorful garden plant can change your health. Every time you eat these colorful eggplants, you're nourishing your body with healing compounds that helps to stimulate your digestion, supports your liver function, it helps your body to fight infections and for you to stay strong. And bees love the flowers of these plants. And most people avoid growing this plant because it have like a slightly bitterness to it. That's why where I'm from in Liberia, we call it bitter ball, but then you have some West African countries that call it garden egg. This slightly bitterness is actually great because it is medicine. It's cleansing your body and strengthening your immune system. Back home when you get sick, they put this here in pepper soup and then you have your fufu, but the fufu we had was fermented fufu, not the powder ones here. So the combination of the fermented fufu and this, you get better in no time. So you should consider adding this to your garden. Well, anyway, guys, I will be showing you how I plant my bitter ball in the bucket. So let's go ahead and get started.
Hello my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's nice and sunny where I am and I have a lot of bees in my garden. I'm really grateful for that. So what I'm going to be doing today, I have a lot of work to do today. First, I'm going to be working on this behind me, this tub. I have had it now for years. I bought it from Walmart, just punctured some holes underneath it to grow some food in it. So for the last 2 years, I have been growing African eggplants in there and it seems to be doing really good. They love this area. So I'm going to keep it as it is. I'm just going to clean in there because last year I didn't clean in it. And as you guys know, the cats, there's so many stray cats in my neighborhood. And whenever I clean stuff, they come and dig. So last year I decided I was not going to clean anything. I was going to leave those old branches in there and they didn't poop. Like I didn't clean any poop this year. So which means every year I'm going to do that. So we're going to clean that. We're going to transplant some African eggplants in it. And then I'm going to start cleaning my tomato areas to put a few tomatoes in the ground. Then I'm going to go to the collard greens area and put a few collard greens in the ground. So we're just going to be doing work all over in the garden. So I'm going to take you along. Let's go. Let's get started. Have a good day, guys. Get your stuff together. It's the beginning of the growing season. You got it. We got it. You can do this. Try to grow some food for you and your family. It's going to save you a lot of money at the grocery store and at the doctor's office. Let's get started. We got another raspberry plant, so we're going to put it on the other side of the garden. Let me put it right there. So we have compost that we are going to bury in our tub, and it's going to help us to save a lot of money on fertilizer. I'm telling you, this thing really works. Let me bring you along so you can see. This is it, right there.
So guys, that's it. Let's finish this up. Remember, food is medicine and you can save a lot of money at the grocery store and in the hospital just by you growing your own food because you know exactly what is on it and you know what you're eating and what you're feeding your family. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. You be safe. I will see you guys on the next video. I have a lot of work and cleaning to do, so we got this. We'll get it done. Have a good day. Bye. Remember, food is freedom. Just start with one seed. No land, no problem. Just have faith and start.